Hey everyone, my name is Mo. I'm a life coach and an author. Are you really struggling, in your life when you keep thinking that affirmations they never work for you, and then you say that the law of attraction it never works for me? So I keep getting such kind of queries, such kind of questions from my students in the initial days when they just start, or when they have just started their law of attraction journey, and they keep saying that affirmations we have been trying for so many years and they never work. So one thing that I keep asking them, the first question is, say for example, you want to attract some financial prosperity and abundance, and you have been doing all the money affirmations. Now, how many money affirmations have you been doing in a day? So the usual answer that I usually receive from them is like 3 to 4 affirmations in a day, or maybe twice in a day they do the money affirmations for around say 3 to 4 affirmations. And then my second question is a very important one, so just listen to me very carefully. So the second question I keep asking them is, how many times have you been thinking throughout the day about all the negative emotions that you have for money? For example, why is it so difficult for you to make money? Why is it so difficult for you to, achieve your monthly money goal? Why is it that you're not able to make money? So the answer that usually I receive from people is like, themselves get shocked when they take a step back and just observe that how many times in a day, subconsciously they have been thinking about all the negative thoughts, negative emotions about money. So the answer is around like 300 to 400 times throughout the day that they keep thinking, and they keep putting so much of energy into the negative thoughts, negative emotions about money. So the rule is very simple: repetition is the mother of mastery. Now the more you repeat, the more you co-create. So even if you're doing 3 to 4 positive affirmations in a day for money, but you have been subconsciously thinking, you have been putting all your energy into the negative thoughts about money, negative emotions about money, the law of attraction gives you the same thing, because you have been repeating and you have been co-creating it, subconsciously. So from today, what I have been suggesting all my students, I want you to do this from today onwards, that whenever you are doing your affirmations, that is fine, keep a tab on your thoughts about your emotions, what you feel for money when you're not doing your affirmations the rest of the day, right? If you keep observing, you will see that the number of negative emotion, negative thoughts that gets generated from you towards money is like really high. So every time you catch a thought, you got to just interrupt it. You will not let yourself keep thinking about it or get carried away with the negative thought or the emotion. You got to interrupt it. Now you can listen to some good music, take the help of the music, and just make yourself get powered up with some favorite music of yours, or with high energy music. Once your energy is high, and then you do your affirmations. So you don't have to literally force yourself. Take your time, power up your energy. Once you're in a situation, you can just start doing the affirmations. Now when you do the affirmations with the right set of vibration, with the right set of emotions, with the right set of energy, your affirmations will just fly, and it will just go effortlessly. So I hope this video is going to change your mindset that affirmations will always work, provided you just keep a small check about your thoughts and emotions when you don't do your affirmations, and take a step back, take a pause, and just observe, and then list down whatever negative emotions or thoughts you have been getting. Just interrupt them, and then you power up your energy. Once your energy is really high, then you start doing your affirmations, and then I'm sure that you will be able to see your results getting manifested much faster, right? So please do like, share this video with all of your people whom you feel are also struggling with affirmations, so that this becomes very easy for everybody to affirm and start attracting their desired life as well. It's just not about money, but it could be related to your health, career, relationship, anything, right? So keep an eye on my channel, because I will be uploading a lot more videos on many more simple ways how you can actually shift your mindset, and you can speed up your manifestation, you can speed up your law of attraction, and that is going to help you immensely in your daily life, right? So if you find this video valuable, and you think that I have been able to add value in your life through this video, through this small learning, then don't forget to hit the bell icon, because every time I upload any new video, you will be getting a notification, and then you can immediately watch, understand, and then start executing. So as I keep saying, let's not start affirming that affirmations never work. Just shift your mindset and keep saying that affirmations are working for me, and then you start applying this specific and a very easy method, how with the help of little bit of changes in your thoughts and emotions can make you manifest so easily and effortlessly. Thank you very much for watching my video.